Here's a quick and easy hack for those of you who maybe need like a lawn roller or a seed roller if you're planting a large area and you need to tamp that seed down in, but maybe you don't own a lawn roller, and for a once-off thing, it's probably not worth investing in. So all I'm doing here, I've got my barrel. It has a locking screw lid that goes on the top, and I'm just putting some water in it. I'm not going to fill this up all the way because for me that would be heavy, you know, a little too heavy for me to move around comfortably. How much do you fill it? Probably as much as you can handle. Any weight in it is going to be better than nothing. Even empty is going to be better than nothing. You can see I've got this tilled patch here. I'm spreading wildflower seed on this in a few minutes, but of course this works for any type of like grass seed or wild seed or anything that you're not really covering and burying that needs that seed to soil contact, which is pretty much all seed, but that also wants some light to germinate. This will, you know, I'll spread the seed, I'll roll over it with my kind of impromptu roller here, get that seed to soil contact, get that seed tamped down. That will keep it so that it doesn't blow away. It's down in nice contact with the soil. I'll water it in, and then that's it. This will be good to go. So, you know, just a quick, easy hack. You know, some of the other things that old timers have done is like taken a big branch of brush. They used to drag them behind horses or tractors or whatever. You could recreate the same kind of thing, like with a lawn tractor or something, or even by hand, and you'd just be pulling that through. So again, this isn't like you're not planting in the soil inches down. This is for when you just want to compact the seed into the soil, still let it get some surface air and light. And you know, this is a great way to do it. You can do it with any size barrel that you've got, whatever you've got available to you. Quick and easy hack, solves that problem.